I don't know about you, but I find it completely unreasonable to believe that the Earth is closest to the sun during the wintertime. Yeah, that's right. While those of us in the northern hemisphere are experiencing winter, the Earth is the closest to the sun. Even though they've changed it a million times, I'm sure many of you have heard of the Goldilocks zone. He once said that if we were any closer or further away from the sun, that the Earth would not be able to sustain life. Exactly how much closer are we during the wintertime? Let's dig in. So, during the summertime, we are 94.5 million miles away. And during the wintertime, we are 91.4 million miles away. That is more than a 3 million mile difference between summertime and wintertime. During the northern hemisphere summer, when we are further away from the sun, the Arctic melts. And even though we are more than 3 million miles closer to the sun, Antarctica does not melt. Not only are we more than 3 million miles closer to the sun, during the southern hemisphere winter, Antarctica is pointing right at it. Exactly how is it that we could be this much closer to the sun, Antarctica be pointing right at the sun, and it does not melt? When we are further away from the sun, and the Arctic is pointing at the sun, it does melt. If the globe theory were correct, the Antarctic and the Arctic summers, they'd be the same. A big block of ice stuck to the bottom of this spinning rock would melt when this spinning rock is 3 million miles closer to the sun, and the ice is pointing right at it. The reason why they say that this is possible is because of the Earth's tilt. Now, you should all know that the alleged tilt of the Earth used to be 23.4 degrees, but now it's 23.5 degrees. 1 degree on the globe Earth is 69 miles. 69 miles times the degree of the Earth's tilt is 1,621.5 miles. Even though we are more than 3 million miles closer to the sun, 1,600 mile tilt of the Earth turns summer into winter. Just let that soak in for a minute. This little theory here is the same thing as you walking away from a fire and expecting it to warm you up if you tilt towards it. They say that this is caused by the angular degree of the sun rays hitting the Earth. Remind the fact that the sun exerts its light evenly in all directions. Slight 1,600 mile tilt causes more heat than being 3.1 million miles closer. You know this doesn't make sense? They know this doesn't make sense. But they also know that common sense is not common. Too many people have abandoned all common sense, logic, and reason to blindly believe in the globe religion. Yes, the globe is a religion. They've convinced everybody that the little g, gravity, created everything in the known existence. Without gravity, nothing could exist. Gravity is the heliocentric God with a little g. Wakey wakey, I love ya.